Welcome to Bharat Mandapam Bulletin, your trusted source for the latest updates, announcements, and highlights from India's premier global venue. Stay informed about the prestigious events, international summits, exhibitions, and cultural showcases happening right here at Bharat Mandapam. Now, without any further delay, let's quickly have a look at the events lined up for Convention Center this week. First up, from 20th to 22nd December, there is DAV United Festival in Meeting Room, Auditorium, Plenary, and Multipurpose Hall. On 23rd of December, there is Sensitization of workshop on base revision of key economic indicators GDP, CPI, and IIP in Meeting Room and Leaders Lounge. At the same time, there is Desh Ratna Awards 2025 in Auditorium 1. Again on 23rd December, there is 39th AGM of NWDA Society and 24th SCILR meetings in Meeting Room and Summit Room. On 24th of December, there is National Consumer Day in Meeting Rooms and Auditorium 2. On 24th of December, there is Atal Samman Samaroh and Atal Kavi Sammelan in Auditorium 1 of the Convention Center. On 25th of December, there is Lokarpan of Mahamana Vangmay of Bharat Ratna Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya in Meeting Room and Auditorium 1. On 25th of December, there is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Jayanti in Meeting Room and Auditorium 2. On 26th of December, there is Veer Bal Divas on Meeting Room, Leaders Lounge, Auditorium 2 and Multipurpose Hall. On 27th of December, there is Mehfil-e-Nizam in Amphitheatre. On 28th December, there is Spark in Plenary Hall and Multipurpose Hall. Now let's have a look at the events lined up for exhibition halls. From 26th to 28th December, there is Expo International India in hall number 2345, ground floor. And that's the wrap up. Follow Bharat Mandapam Bulletin and stay ahead with the timely updates, in-depth coverage, and engaging stories from India's global venue.